Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Discord overlay not working on PC. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to run your Discord as administrator. And to do so, you just need to press Windows and R key, and then you need to write %sign local app data %sign and press OK. And on this window you need to find Discord, and then you need to press on app folder here, and then you need to right click on Discord here, go to properties, and then go to compatibility, and then you just need to select this one, run this program as administrator, and then press apply and OK. And once you do that, then you need to go to Discord and tweak some settings here. So you just need to go to the user settings here, and then you need to scroll down until you see, as you can see here, game overlay. So press on that, and then make sure that this option is enabled. And once you do that, then you need to go to register games and make sure that as you can see here, on your game overlay is not on off. Make sure that is on here. And also, if the game is not detecting here, make sure to run the game, and then if you're not seeing your game on this list here, you can basically press edit and then select the game here. But you just need to run the game because you won't see on this list. And if basically this two solutions do not work for you, the last thing that you can do here is to completely uninstall and install Discord. And to do so, you just need to press Windows and R key, and then you need to go to %sign app data %sign, press OK, and first delete Discord cache files. So you just need to delete this folder here, and after you do so, then you need to go to control panel, and then you need to go to, as you can see here, programs and features, and then you need to find Discord here and uninstall completely here. And once you do that, then you just need to go to your favorite browser, go to discord.com and install basically Discord again. And it should fix the problem if you don't see Discord overlay, or Discord overlay is not working for you. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.